Most used app for today's time is Zoom app. Online studies are taken all over the world and it has been very tricky for most of the teachers and professors. So this video we will have taken for you to learn and tell you how a Zoom app works. Most of the features are not being known to the teachers and professors as it is very tricky. Talking about new meeting icon, it creates a new meeting. For example, when you click on new meeting, then a top-up bar will appear and this will be like this. When you go on, this join with computer audio will appear and then you can mute it from here, and you can also stop your video and start your video from here. Then while talking about how you can share the link, you can go to invite and then copy invite link or copy invitation. You can also mail it or you can also type the contacts and share it on the mobile numbers. So this was about you. If you are a host, you can also end the meeting for all, or you only can leave the meeting. You also have a right to mute or unmute the participants in the meeting. So this is about this thing. Then if you want to schedule the meeting for tomorrow or in the next week or next month, you can schedule it from here. You can give the name for whatever your meeting is about, start, timing and duration it will be of. As of now, Zoom only has a 30 minutes of duration. After 30 minutes, the the Zoom meeting automatically ends. It is about the personal meeting or it is generated automatically. It will be the meeting ID, and this is the security code. If you want to give the security code, like people clicks on the link you have provided and then they have to enter the passcode, as that no trespassers should enter the meeting. After you want to on the audio video for the host or off, and also for the participants, you have a full right to control all the features in the Zoom app as if you are the host. Then also calendar. If you in what you want to schedule the meeting for, Google Calendar, Outlook or other calendars. As Google Calendar is by default, because Google Calendar is with everyone. Then you click on save and a meeting will be scheduled. See, it appears here. It starts in 2 minutes and the meeting will start from here. After, like, if you have a link from your school or a college or a office, you can join it from here. You just have to enter the meeting ID or the personal link you have been given, write your name and then you click on join. If that already has a passcode, you have to enter the passcode provided by the institution, or you will automatically enter the Zoom meeting. If you want to share your screen, click on share screen. As of now, this is want an email the link for the meeting, as I have not joined any meeting. Then for example, I click on new meeting, this tab will appear, and when you click on the join with computer audio, and then when you click on the this option, the 3 dots there you can share screen. It will ask you if you want to share the screen, if you want to have a whiteboard, or if you are using a phone, iPad or iPhone. You can also share a separate windows, like the whole Chrome you want to share or the only specific tab of Chrome you want to share. You can also separate the tabs. As of now, if you want, if you will change the tabs in between the meeting you are sharing screen with, then that will stop there, because you have only given permission to one tab. So if we end here all for meeting, then we comes here to the chat. You can chat in the meeting with anybody you want. All the participants there are in the meeting. Then you can watch how many meetings have been scheduled to your calendar and contacts you have on your Gmail ID. This free link is only valid for 30 minutes, whereas if you are a Zoom subscriber, you will get the meeting time that is unlimited. The free meeting for a personal meeting can only hold up to 100 participants, and there can be no recording placed for future reference. When you buy for Pro, you get host up to meeting of 100 participants and you can increase that to 1000. When you buy business, you get 300 participants, and for the Pro feature you can record up to 1000 participants. When you buy enterprises, you can host to 500 participants in single meeting with unlimited cloud storage and recording transcripts. That's all for today. Hope this video has helped many of the teachers and professors with these tricky features of the Zoom app. For more, subscribe to our YouTube channel and please share a thumbnail. Also, you can share this video to your fellows and make their knowledge increased.